Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about table. And a table we talk about how to create table, how to filter, sort and sort by color, and design tab and table style options. So let's say I have a data here and I have this is the column name, right? And I have the data over here. Now with this, I want to create a table with this. How can I do that? Now there's a shortcut in creating table. If you don't want to use the longer method, there's a shortcut. That is a control plus T. Okay, control plus T. So click anywhere in the list. Now hit on control plus T. So as soon as you click on control plus T, the T stands for table. You see these lines surrounding the data, and it asks you, do you want to create a table? Yes. Now my table has a header, and this is a header, right? These are the header for this table. So click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, you can see that the table is now created. Now let's go for the other method as well. So click on this. Now control plus T. So control plus T. You have control plus T. Okay, so you have this. Click on OK. So you are done. Now the other one is click on the table. Now go to Insert Table. As soon as you click on Insert Table, you see that now the table or the text is being surrounded. Now click on OK to just create the table for you. So that is a way to create table, and that's a shortcut key for creating table as well. Now how do you filter or sort data? Now as you can see here, now under the column head, and you have drop down button beside. Now when you click, that's what you can use to sort. You see now you have sort and filter. Now sort can be sort by using the ascending order or by descending order. Ascending is from the A to Z, so it arranges the text from A to Z. So when I click that, you see now the B comes first, B, B, G, I, N, M, N, N, S, S, T. You see now that's the sorting, okay? And now we have filter. So choose one, so filter by and contains, okay? Then you can just contain Ghana. So choose from the text which contains Ghana. That's it to filter. Now under filtering, we've done a video on it for the previous video. That's the advanced filter. So you can just check that one out in case you're not getting this. You can just check that one out. Okay, so that is it to sort data or to create table and sort the table. Okay, sort the table. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go to the next one. That's the table style option. Table style option. Table style options. Now click on the table. Now when I click on the table, click. You can see now there's a new tab added to the ribbon tab. That's the table tab. Click on the table tab. Now you can see beside this tab, this is called the filter button. Watch what happens when I uncheck it. So you can see now the sorting and the filter option is gone. I can just click the same thing to bring it back. Okay, so that is the filter option. Now when you go to this, we have the first column, we have header row. When you click on this, now the header row is there, but it is now hidden. So you can bring it back and it's going to be there. Now when you go to, now with this we have the first column. We see that first column has been bold. We have last column to be bold, okay? And the other one is this. We have banded rows. So you can see, check, you see now with this, these rows, you have white and this color, this button color, right? So that's a banded row. So the banded row starts, then the white comes, banded row starts, white comes, that order. Now when you click on, when you uncheck, all becomes white. Now when you click on it, now it comes back. Now the same thing applies to this banded column. So you can see what has happened. So now you can see. So now the first one comes, the second one, the first one, that order. So that's the banded row as well. That's a banded column as well. Okay, now the last thing is how to add total row. So click on total row and you can see a total row is here. So just check when you see a total row and we have the sum. So when you highlight everything here and you check beneath. Like we see here, a sum is 16900, right? So you have it 16900. So it means it is correct. So that's the total sum, or the sum of the figures over here. So you can decide to do the same thing to this. Now with this, you see we can't add this because it is not value. Okay, so what you can do is click on this side. Now click on the drop down. You have numerous of options here. We have average, count numbers. When you click on count numbers, it's going to tell you it's 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 tests over there. Alright, so you have 10. Now, when you click on max, you see that's the maximum for you because it is picking the second number, that's the 2022. 2022. Now, when you check off here, 2022 is the biggest. That's why I give you the maximum and minimum. So minimum is supposed to be January 1st. So January 1st is going to be what? The minimum. Okay, now, and that is it for, so you can add, I'm going to add the sum. So the sum is going to add everything here for you. That's like you had the 31, 130. So that is the sum. But actually here, we don't want the sum. Here must be the count. Okay, to get the count number, the number of years 10. Now with this, when you click on that, you can just go for average. So average, you can go for minimum and whatever. Now when it comes here, you can still go for what? That's a count as well. Okay, let's go for count as well. So that is a way to add a total column to or row to the table as well. Now let's go to the last one, that is the table star option. Click on the table. Now you can see now a new tab being generated. That's the tab as table. And like you see, we have styles here. That's the table style. Now with table style, click on the down arrow key. You can see we have a numerous styles. And you can decide to choose any of the styles to affect your table. Now, when you choose this, you see what the table has become now. So these are the styles for the table. You can decide to pick any one of your choice to just format the table. So you can choose any of these to format the table as well. Alright, so that is it for today's lesson, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.